requirement for dancing Bharatanatyam. So just like how we have the Guru Namaskaram, which is compulsorily to be done before starting dance, there is one more thing that you have to do before starting to dance, which is tying your shawl. So most of you would be beginners, you will not have any idea how to tie the shawl. So this is a short demo video for you that you can use for tying the shawl during the classes, practice session or anything. So take a cotton shawl and fold it into two vertically and place it on top of your shoulder. So make sure you leave enough of your shawl on your back side. So after placing it on your chest, you can bring the shawl at the back from your right side and make a complete circle. So whatever is remaining, try to insert. So this has to be very tight. So once you get this, just pull back nicely so that it's very tight. You should feel the tightness in your stomach. So after that, you can have a safety pin pinned near the chest so that your shawl doesn't drop off or fall away when you're dancing. So this is how you tie the shawl. Now you're ready to dance.